Give me all you've got. If you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. Today's topic is gonna be very crucial to traders that have been losing so much trading, because trading is more of geometry and a lot of people don't know that. So the topic we discuss is geometrical approach to forex synthetic trading. So the things we shall be discussing in this topic will be areas, volume, curvature, breaking limit. We're gonna go to chart for particles, okay? Volatility 75 index. After volatility 75 index, we're gonna check out we're gonna check into forex market. So this is daily time frame, okay? This is daily time frame. So for this topic to become realistic, we shall be using the notion of critical zone. So if you have been following my course, you notice that it's more of calculus based. So when we say critical zone, we mean a zone that have 100% probability of reversing price. Okay. So these zones are going to be modeled with a trend line. We're going to be modeled with trend line or break of structural levels. So we have something like this, okay. And then we have something like this, okay. So the trend line, the intersection between the trend line, and a price point is called potential, and the difference in height between two potential is called potential difference. So the difference in height between this and this is a potential difference, okay. Because it's very simple to analyze when you use a geometrical object like the line. So we have this line. So when you calculate the height, so this is a potential difference, okay. This is a potential difference or volume difference. You can also call it a volume difference. So critical zones are very crucial in the geometrical analysis of price movement, okay. Price movement can be continuous or reverse, okay. So this is a critical zone, okay. So I'm going to change the color for critical zones so that it will be different from other geometrical objects. I'm going to change the color to, let's use red. Yeah, red is cool, okay. Now, how does this idea help someone to make it in trading? Okay, remember we're on the daily time frame, so let's analyze this zone. Okay, now the first time the price action touches the trend line is here. So the market dropped to this place, that means it's sold. Now a lot of people will be like, we are going to be selling at this price. But the truth is that if you sell at this price of 100,000 plus, they will push the market pushes up again against you, making you to lose a lot of money, okay. The reason behind this is that before price will change direction to a new direction, before price will change trend, it have to saturate in volumes and area, okay. It have to violate the breaking limit, and it have to has enough curvature angle to change direction. It doesn't change direction anyhow, okay. In other words, people that wait for certain protocols to be carried out, certain events to happen, people that wait for such are the ones that will get the best signal. Okay? Are the ones that will get the best signal. We have this. This one. Okay, you see, we are going to be very, very serious here to make this thing come to reality, okay? You notice that this is a critical zone. This is also a critical zone. Don't mind the colors of the slab I'm using here, okay? Color doesn't matter, the main thing is what they are showing. So this is a critical zone, okay? So what this idea is trying to tell you is that for price to change direction, a lot of protocol have to be carried out. So that is where patience comes in. Okay? So one of the events that will happen is critical zone event. Okay? Or the areas and volume. The critical zone event, which has to do with areas and volume. Now look at how this thing happens. Price reaches a critical point. It shows a kind of reversal near the critical point, and then it goes back to that critical point, shows reverse again, go back, like it keeps going back to that critical point until it forms enough volume and areas near that zone. Then when it forms enough area and volume, that is when you will see that it is trying to backfire to that critical zone, but it is failing. It's trying to backfire to that critical zone, but it's failing. And then finally it will hit the breaking limit and break it. On breaking it, as a wise trader, forget eating, forget clubbing, forget anything. Make sure your trading room is on. Make sure you open the laptop. Why? Every day, because this is mostly good for higher time frame, for like long-term trader. Like that's why I'm using daily time frame. So every day you have to come and be shaking when the price suddenly reacts near that breaking limit. Once it reacts near it, you start entering and placing your stop loss above certain swing level. About certain swing level. Okay, so imagine you sold here, you should have got over 200,000 pips. That is one lot size that have given you $200. Now the truth is that $200,000. One lot size should have given you $200,000. The truth is that it's not everyone that will be patient enough to place a trade, to wait for a good entry so that the stop loss will not be triggered. It's not everybody. WINFX Trading has optimized everything like Elon Musk. Like, we have made trading easier for you. All you need to do is to subscribe to our VIP series and your life will change. Or you enroll for our courses, or you become a patron to learn the 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒅 education, to have access to the ICT trading, to learn the top secrets that make a lot of people billionaire trading. Okay, you have to change your life. Okay, so that is something I have not said. The notion of curvature, I've not said something about it. What is curvature? Curvature has to do with angle, and is more of angle of rotation or angle of bend. Now, how do we know that curvature is completed? Look at the active part. Look at the measure part that contains the active part. So the market is uptrend, is going up like this. Now select the most recent 2 points the most closest recent 2 point to where the price is at in there, like this one. And then this trend line is going to be your point of interest for the measurement of angle of curvature. Whenever price break below this trend line, you know that the curvature has happened and the market have changed direction. So that's what happened. Price break it, then we wait for retest near. Most retests don't need to touch the trend line. You see, you have to face market squarely. Every event come with, every day market come with different behavior, chaotic behaviors. You have to face it squarely and carry out a point action and know where the price is going and heading. Most time price can be very dangerous. The volatility in the market can make price not even reach certain levels, and you can miss a lot of opportunity. I mean infinity opportunity, and most time you will give up. You have to pay the price, become our member, subscribe to VIP, enroll our courses, change your life, become wealthy. Okay, I bring you to the end. Thank you. Subscribe, keep subscribing, share to your network, especially lucid traders. Be there. Let's make it once. Bye for now.
You've got it if you're prepared to break the silence.